What's good up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I received a really special package. My vlogging camera, Sonny ZV1. I believe it's a game changer. I was waiting for this moment for a long time. I think this is the most expensive investment that I made into my YouTube channel. I think it's time. Yeah, let's open it. So normally I use my iPhone 6s camera for vlogging and photographing and everything. I'm happy. But I believe it's a time to change. So as right now, everything in these vlogs will be with these one. So, are you ready? Let's do it. Wow. Let's try it outside.
It's a sunny day and it's great for outside check. Let's make sure everything is okay. It's dark. Hey. Wow, that's good. It's really good. It was a great test. Ouch. I think it's worth it. 100%. Oh shit. I forgot to close the door. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like. If you didn't like it, feel free to dislike. Please consider to subscribe because I'm sure more video will come.